Hey guys, welcome back to Living Trends. I am here with another haul video reviewing beautiful kurta sets. This is a special episode as we are announcing the winners of June giveaway contest. Thanks much for all the love and support, and we are gonna have many more such giveaways in the coming months. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and I am sure you won't be disappointed as there are loads and loads of interesting stuff lined up for you. So this is a beautiful kurta set from the brand Ghost Reiki. Bought it from Amazon. It's a very stylish kurta set. The fabric is rayon. It's not pure cotton, it's rayon, but still the fabric is very nice. It has a simple round neck with a cute V-neck. Looks very simple yet very elegant actually. It comes with half sleeves with a stylish slits at the elbow line. This is really unique guys, looks very trendy and cute actually. Also it's kind of a asymmetrical top, something like high-low kurta that's shorter in the front and longer at the back. The cut is an arch shape so it doesn't look odd actually, looks very cool. Back design is same as the front design. Back neck is slightly boat shaped with half-inch depth. It has cute little floral prints all over the kurta. Looks sober yet very classy guys. Very neatly done. Fabric is rayon and it feels so soft on the skin. Not transparent at all. The pajama is partially elasticated at the waistband and the elastic is good quality. Doesn't hurt the skin. The pajama also has slits at the bottom hemline for about 5 to 6 inches. And it is being cut in a nice curve shape. So looks really cool. Fabric is again rayon and it's not transparent at all. Comfortable to wear. Very comfortable to wear. It comes with a cute matching mask. I liked it so much. Dupatta is the best part of the set guys. It's fully printed in an elegant way and it adds so much beauty to the whole set. Beautiful prints with a sleek border at both sides. The fabric is also very nice. I don't know, somehow I liked it so much, yeah. Big thumbs up from my end. I mean, if you like it, go ahead, you won't regret. Guys, the reason I mention every detail about the dress is to help you in deciding to buy or not, because some might like the design but do not opt if it is transparent. So I make every effort in giving you all the details about the product just so that it's easy for you to decide. If you think this helps, please let me know in the comment section below. This pretty grey color kurta set from the brand Anubhuti. I got it from Myntra. It's an anarkali kurta with beautiful prints. It has a beautiful boat neck and the back neck is also boat shaped with a half-inch depth. It has lovely embroidery at the front yoke and bust area. There's a stitch at the waistline with many tiny frills giving the kurta enough flair. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and plain at the cuffs. The embroidery looks elegant and no fear of washing off since it's not printed. The flare is good enough. Back is also same print. Fabric is pure cotton and feels very comfortable on the skin. But one con is that the print on the kurta appears to be a rubber print and even the golden print doesn't look very promising to me. It might get washed away in few washes, so be very careful while washing. Use only mild detergents, only hand wash in normal temperature water. The palazzo is in contrast shade, comes with fully elasticated waistband and drawstrings. It's a parallel fit palazzo and fabric is pure cotton and has self checks. Fabric is a little transparent but manageable. Dupatta is pretty, white and grey printed. Looks simple but adds elegance to the overall outfit.
Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane.
Guys, I have given my haul pack link in the description, so in case you wish to buy any of these sets, just click on that. One link for all the sets. You may check and buy the ones that you like. And if you like my content, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family. This is a pure cotton kurta set from Libas, bought it from Myntra. Has a semi-Chinese collar neck with a deep V-neck at the yoke. There's a silver gota patti lace around the neck design. Back neck is high collared with lace. Front neck is not very deep, actually looks deep but it's not that deep. There are potli buttons at the yoke adding beauty to the neck design. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and has a silver gota patti lace at the cuffs. It has floral prints all over the kurta. The front and the back, both the design is the same. Fabric is pure cotton and very comfortable on the skin. Very skin friendly fabric. Pajama is very beautiful, pretty prints guys. Comes with a partially elasticated waistband. Elastic is very good, doesn't dig into the skin. One side it has waistband and on the other side it's elastic. Has pockets on both sides of the palazzo, so that's good. I really love this palazzos. It's a parallel fit and very comfortable when worn. Bottom hemline is plain. Beautiful prints. Dupatta is also very pretty. Lovely prints in contrast shade. Has borders on both sides of the dupatta. And the dupatta fabric literally feels like butter. I mean, very soft, very nice and so soft on the skin. And if you like it, just go ahead and buy. Too good for summers. Guys, if you're new here and like the way I present my content, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. Also hit the like so I am sure that I'm not going wrong. Do comment below as to which one you like the most.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
This is a pure cotton kurta set from the brand Ahika. This is also, the print is really nice. Has a round neck and a patchwork at the yoke with a tiny wooden beads stitched onto the patch. Looks different and very unique. I hope you can see these little tiny wooden beads. Looks very nice and unique actually. Back neck is slightly boat shaped with 1/2 inch depth. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and has a piping at the cuffs. It has beautiful floral prints all over the kurta. The fabric is pure cotton and feels very comfortable on the skin. Really good for summers. Slightly transparent but at a manageable level. Need to use a camisole. Pajama comes with vertical line prints and it's fully elasticated at the waistband. Elastic is okay, I mean not very soft. Fabric is transparent and slight discomfort wearing it, but hopefully in a couple of washes it gets thicker. Plain hemline. Fabric feels good but it's a little transparent, that's what I feel. Has pockets on the sides of the pajama. Dupatta is classy, I mean very beautiful prints and has contrast borders on both sides of the dupatta. Real good prints actually. Fabric feels very soft and the length is also pretty good. Except for the bottom, I like this set very much. I mean for the color and the design, it is definitely unique. So you may think and give it a try if you like it. So now the winners of the June giveaway contest are Suman Goswami, Megha G, Gauri Shirke. Congratulations guys! Please mail me your email ID and I will contact you. There are more giveaways planned for the coming months, so stay tuned. You might be the next winner. And thanks a bunch from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support. Please do continue supporting me and encouraging me. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up.